what is this?
Oh,
Is
it's
it still?
just a little piercing.
Oh, oh, good, good.
Only,
Will I see this?
can you see?
Wow, wow,
Where did
wow.
it go? There it
It's
is. I thought I
really,
lost it.
wow, it's really very amazing.
This is not as
Yes,
popular. Maybe in Bangladesh, do a lot of women have
yes,
a piercing here on their nose?
yes, yes,
Yeah, it's very common.
exactly right.
Yeah, you,
Beside here,
yeah, ears, of
yes.
course. I guess same as when you get
Oh,
in your ears, they just I guess they pinch your eyebrow like this, and then they just put the thing through, and then they put the top on and the bottom on, and then that's it. Very simple.
oh, yes, yes.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yes, I'm very good, thank you.
All right. What is your name?
So my name is Nuruddin, and then I'm from Bangladesh.
All right. Nice to. What is your name? Nuther?
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Nuther. My name is Dan.
Oh, okay then. Nice to meet you also then.
All right. Bangladesh. I don't know if I've ever talked to anybody from Bangladesh before. Maybe oh, maybe one or two, but it's pretty rare that I get a call from Bangladesh.
Oh, okay, all right now. So then, yes,
How? Sorry. Go ahead. Tell me.
yeah, okay. So I know that you're from Canada. Okay, but you are living now. Yeah.
Mexico.
Oh yes, 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 Mexico. But
That's
you are
right.
but you are living now Mexico. Yes, yeah. I
Yep.
saw your. Yeah, I have seen your profile right now.
I traded the snow and ice for sunshine and blue skies.
Oh, okay. So then you are from Canada, but why you are living Mexico?
I moved here because at the time she was my wife, now my ex-wife. She's Mexican. I married a Mexican woman.
Oh, okay. She is
Hmm.
also with you. Okay.
Yeah, so she well, I mean, we both live here now, but I've lived here for 15 years. I've lived here for a long time.
Oh,
But yeah,
okay.
if she had lived in Bangladesh, I would have moved to Bangladesh.
Yes, yes. So yeah, yeah, I know that in Mexico. Okay, this is the very famous for following football in the World country.
Sorry, famous for what?
Yes, yes, playing football.
Oh, football. Yeah, of course.
For
Um,
football games. Okay. For World Cup. Okay. Mexico.
yeah, they had. I think they were the first country ever to have two World Cups. They had the World Cup in 1972 and
Yeah.
1986.
Oh, sorry. 1972. Okay. No, or
No, was it
1980.
no? Was it 72? They had the Olympics in 1968. I think they did have the World Cup in or 70.
Yes. Yes. Beside Mexico. Okay. This is very. I know that
70, not
Mexico team.
72.
Yes, I know that Mexico it's a very skillful goalkeeper. Okay, so then Mexico versus yeah Brazil. Okay, this is was very nice games for Mexico
Yeah,
with
if
Brazil.
you're talking about the goalkeeper, I guess the now I don't know too much about football because I'm not a big fan, but the two I guess most famous goalkeepers, the older guy I guess
Yeah,
from
yes.
was his name was what was his name? Conejo.
Well,
I think it was Oscar.
yeah, which team he is playing now?
Oh, I think he's retired now. He's on TV. He works on TV calling the games. But I guess the more recent guy, his name is Guillermo Ochoa, Memo Ochoa.
Oh,
And I'm not sure who he plays for. He used to play for America, which is one of the I guess it's the biggest team in Mexico, from Mexico City. But I'm not sure who he
oh,
plays for now.
oh. Would you like? Would you like to play cricket? Yeah, football.
I played when I was a kid. But in Canada, soccer, football, it's not very popular. We like hockey, Also, American football, baseball, basketball,
Oh,
soccer
oh, oh.
is not very popular.
So yeah, yeah. I saw most of the time in Canada. Okay, this is not famous for any games. Okay, beside or not, it's not cricket, it's not football. Okay, I don't see.
Yeah, Canada is famous for hockey for sure.
Oh yes, yes. I know hockey. Yes, yes,
You wouldn't see hockey in Bangladesh.
yes, yes. Beside that, I also with my friend play hockey.
No, hold on. You tell me you've played hockey?
Yes, with my friend.
Where?
Sometime for enjoying.
No, hold on. Now you said that you have played hockey. Where did you play hockey?
Yes. So I am telling you. Okay, I know that Canada for famous hockey play. Okay. So then sometime I play. Okay. Okay with my friend. Okay for enjoying sometime.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, hockey's a
Yes.
very fast, aggressive, kind of a rough, tough sport.
Yes. Yes. Fast sport. Okay.
Yeah.
So would you like any play?
Sorry, would I like what?
So then, would you like any play or any games? Do you like?
I like most sports. I like my favorite sport is baseball. But I really love American football, like NFL football where
Oh,
they throw and catch.
oh,
I love that. And sorry, there's a car alarm
yes, yes.
going off
Volleyball,
out here.
volleyball.
I like volleyball. I haven't played volleyball for a long time. Volleyball is a game that was fun to play. It's not really something that you would watch on television, because the only time you ever see volleyball being played is in the Olympics. But volleyball was a lot of fun to play.
Oh, beside your eye now. Okay, your eye now. What is this?
Oh, it's
It's there's.
just a little piercing.
Oh, oh, good, good.
Only for
So,
decoration.
oh, will I see this?
Can you see?
Wow, wow,
Where did
wow.
it go? There it
It's
is. I thought I
really,
lost it.
wow. It's really very amazing.
You don't see people with
Wow.
this in
But
Bangladesh?
but but no, 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 no. How this is possible? How is this possible?
Same as when you get
Oh,
in your ears, they just I guess they pinch your eyebrow like this, and then they just put the thing through, and then they put the top on and the bottom on, and that's it. Very simple.
oh yes, yes. I saw Barman and then yeah, Nigerian. Okay, so the more and more people here or then north or then yeah high on eyes. Okay, it's
Yeah,
many
yeah.
cultures.
Maybe this is not as
Yes,
popular. Maybe in Bangladesh, do a lot of women have
yes,
a piercing here on their nose?
yes, yes.
Yeah, it's very common.
Exactly right.
Yeah, you
Beside here.
Yeah, ears, of
Yes,
course, I guess are the most common. Nose. Sometimes you see women or men with one in their lips, or
yes, yes.
in their tongue,
Oh,
or in the
okay.
middle of their nose, like this.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yep.
So yeah, they are using. Okay, so this is the node in this the little and this the yeah mouth. But any problem is not.
I wouldn't do it. You know what? I had a friend who had a piercing here. I don't know why, but he had a piercing there. I would never
Okay,
get anywhere except this.
so then this is your culture.
Um, No, well, I mean, I think you would see this probably anywhere in Europe or maybe in Brazil and United States, Canada. It's not like common or like in the ears, but it's
So
not like strange. It's not unusual.
okay, so then if you never mind, okay, I will say you open. This is ring. Will you open? This is
No, I've never opened it. Never since I got it. I think I got it about maybe 5 years ago, and I've never opened it or removed it.
Oh,
It's always
okay.
been here. I've never changed it. I've never removed it. I've never taken it
Okay.
out.
So then, yeah. Okay. So then you are using this how many days? How long days?
I guess I think I got it in. I remember it was around Christmas. I think the year was probably 2015. So over more than 5 years.
This is 5 years
Hmm.
stay.
Hmm. Yep.
Oh my.
No problem. It doesn't. It
How,
doesn't hurt.
oh,
It doesn't. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't affect my life at all.
how,
It's just there.
oh, you like this?
Yeah, I like the way it
Yes.
looks, and
Okay.
it's very, very simple. All right, we're almost finished here, Nular. Oh, thank you for calling. Nice to talk to you.
Okay. Thank
I hope
you
I hope you have
also.
a good morning in Bangladesh.
Yes, yes. In Bangladesh, good morning.